Hi everyone, I'm Xenia Ioannidou, and today I will present an example that shows you how to intersect privacy-centric ML algorithm with DevOps. So here we have our oncologist. He wants to improve cancer diagnosis, and for that he wants to use AI. So to address data privacy concerns, we are going to pick a distributed learning algorithm, which is called split learning, and that is used to train models on decentralized sources and devices without exposing any private information. So the key technical idea is that each device trains its own model on its own data and doesn't share any private information. So it only shares the output layer of the model into a central server. Of course, the benefits is to ensure privacy and security and to keep the costs very low, which is what we care about today, right? So how are we gonna actually do this with split learning? And this is a solution that keeps everyone happy. So data engineers, they have their data. Data scientists have a very smart algorithm to train. And our stakeholders looks very happy and satisfied and safe with keeping our patients very safe. But actually not everyone is happy with this solution. We have a team that's very concerned about how to integrate these algorithms into production. And of course, you know this team. This is the DevOps team. And they're here to bridge the gap between all the data scientists, the data engineers, the IT operations, and the stakeholders. And how are they gonna do it? So first important concept is collaboration. So the DevOps team needs to be very close with the stakeholders to define clear goals and business requirements for the end-to-end solution. Another concept, of course, is that they care about security and they are here to implement security measures to guarantee that our patient data are safe and private by implementing, for instance, encryption or access controls. Of course, they're here to help the developers to integrate not only code changes, but most importantly, data and model updates into a main repository. And of course, they are here to develop automated deployment pipelines because what we care is fast delivery and fast deployment in production for the code, the data, and the model. Another concept they are about to contribute a lot is continuous monitoring. Of course, everyone knows about that, but we need to be very careful because when we talk about delivering machine learning models, we need to constantly monitor the data and the model's behavior. So yes, I think now everyone is happy. The DevOps team did such a great job. They introduced so many advanced concepts and we feel even more proud and happy with this solution, right? Yes, no. I think continuous monitoring, I'm not sure if it's always enough, especially when we are talking about ML-based systems, right? There is a concept that goes our solution a little bit further. So this is actually observability, because monitoring is great. You can track your system, you can track the metrics, but what we need to understand is why the metrics behave the way they do, right? And how do we do it? Of course, with the traditional DevOps observability, like we need to know if the server was up and running, how much time we have to wait to get a prediction, right? But this is not enough because we need MLOps observability, and that's the most important part here. We need to guarantee that the model behaves reliably and safely in production. And how do we do it? So first, a model is never complete, it's never finished. And that's why we need to keep track on new trends, new data distributions, and we need to guarantee that the model behavior is easily explainable to everyone. And that's how this hospital's journey comes to an end. And we managed to implement split learning with the help of DevOps, but prioritizing always our patients' care and their data privacy. And of course, we did that with clarifying clear roles for all the different team members and by prioritizing always cross-functional collaboration across everyone.